I saw a lot of wonderful things. I saw a lot of sad things. I saw a lot of good things and bad things within me. Things that I've got to look at. Certain defects of characters I've got to work at. But it was quite a humbling experience and an honor to be on this game.
Die laaste 25 jaar het ek net besef hoe min mense het drome en het 'n visie vir hulle lewe. They don't have a vision, they don't have a dream, they don't have a destination. Want meeste mense weet nie wat hulle uit die lewe uit wil hê nie. Most people don't know what it is that they want out of life. Hulle is nie crystal clear daaroor nie. And if you don't know what you want, I promise you're going to get it. Every single time.
It's not what happens that determines the major part of your future. It's what happens to us all. The key is what you do about it. If you will start that process of change, do something different the next 90 days than you did the last 90 days, like picking up the books to read. Do something different like the new health disciplines, relationship with your family, whatever it is, doesn't matter how small it is. If you'll start doing different things with the same circumstances, since we cannot change the circumstances, but we can change ourselves. We can change what we do. What are you going to do starting tomorrow that'll make a difference? Now see, if you don't do something starting tomorrow that'll make a difference, guess what? It's gonna be the same. And see, that way you can guess what the next 5 years are going to be like. Look at the last 5.
You're not going to wake up one day and suddenly have... You have to go sit down and figure out, why do you do what you do? What is your purpose? What is your personal motivational factor? Do you just wake up every morning, come to work so that you can pay the bills? Is that it? Is that why you come to work? Do you wake up in the mornings? That's your personal motivational factor. Come to work just so that you can get a salary and pay the bills. If that's the only thing that you're doing there is a massive problem, because you were born for so much more than this. Now, you don't have to be excited about where you are at the moment, but you have to be passionate about where you're going. You have to spend at least 2 hours every single day after work on your dream, on what it is that you want. That's the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people.
If I get better, the world will get better. If I grow, everything else will grow around me. Dit begin by my. Dit begin nie by die wêreld nie, dit begin nie by 'n beter ekonomie nie, dit begin nie by meer geleenthede nie, dit begin nie by load shedding wat moet ophou of die die regering wat moet verander nie en wag dat alles rondom my perfek is en die situasies moet perfek wees en alles moet perfek wees, dan gaan my lewe eers perfek wees nie. Dis nie hoe dit werk nie. It starts with me. I need to change because it's not about what happens to us in life that matters, because what happens to us happens to everybody.